Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every morning there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You think say you can do anything when now go come out in a open one day. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure say you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12 from verse 1 to verse 3. When thousands of people start gather where Jesus dey, then did so enough them all a tap up and then one another. Jesus talked to him special follower them first. Him say, watch out for the two-mouthed Pharisee them. No hide where we now go find out about. And no secret, no dede. We now go bust out. Where you no say, in the dark, people are go hear in a daylight. And when you whisper to one another, when you no lock way, people are go bawl it out from the house top. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.